Hello everyone! Today we will show you how to use Gemex kit. My friend Miranda gave this to me for a present on Christmas Eve.
Alright, so it comes with shell light, liquid magic. Then it also has some magic molds. We have filled ours with some accessories. And it comes with these accessories to fill and beautify your gems. But we have some of our own things that we are also going to try, such as this glitter, these beads that we are going to try, definitely. So I'm trying to fill it up like this said, and you can see I put my extra glitter from here over it. I kind of dropped it. Didn't come with the packet, but this is our own and we want to see how it works out. So we're basically gradually filling these with the liquid gel, and we'll see how it goes. So now we have put the molds in the shell, and we are going to close off the shell, press the button in the back, and the stars will start blinking, which means the shell is in process. And we'll wait for the 3 minutes to be over. At that time we are supposed to hear some beeping, and once the beeping stops, then we are supposed to open the shell. So see you in 3 minutes.
Beep.
Yes, so it was beeping. It beeped 3 times. Looks like it has set. So they said give it 30 seconds to dry, cool off, and then remove the gem. So see you in 30 seconds. Now we will try to take these out. These were the wings of angel. They're coming out pretty nice and easy. Very nice, look. I like it. So this was our first batch, and this is the rainbow we made. And these are the wings we made. I really like these actually. I think they came out pretty nice. This was the star we made. It's important to just spread them nicely. I actually really love this activity. It's so much room for creativity, and like we used our own glitter and beads, so you can definitely use if you have these kind of decoration items to fill in lying around. This was the small diamond we made, and this was the heart we made. Very nice. And show me this, Alia. This is the shooting star. I love the green tint in it. Yeah, all these molds have these tiny holes in the top so that you can use them in your jewelry. So that's really neat. I like it. This is our second batch that is beeping, and we are going to open it soon. But we have to wait for the beeping to end, and then you open up the shell. And here we made a butterfly and a bunny and a star. So we will let it sit for 30 seconds. They say 30 seconds, but we kind of leave it for more than 30 seconds. Last time we left it for 2-3 minutes. So in the next batch we made this butterfly. I think this came out really nice. We made this cute bunny that came out pretty cute as well. And we made another star. This came out pretty nice too. Now for the rest of the jewelry, you're basically in this white small wrapping. There comes this putty that I cut in 4 small pieces. So your jewelry base, such as earrings, or if your has ring or hair clips in it, you're supposed to press them on this. Get on here. Then you take your magic gel and put a little bit on this. And I'm going to use these butterflies that I made. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, these butterflies that I made. These I'm going to use. So this you attach on it like this, right? Everything fell apart. So eventually I decided to use these molds as the base to place my earrings. So under there is the earring. I put that magic glue, and this kind of made it a little bit more stable. I'm just gonna close it off, turn on the button, and see what happens in 3 minutes. Alright, so now my beeper had beeped and I waited several minutes, and now I'm gonna see what happened. Moment of truth. Do you think it worked out fine? Oh, actually it did. Look, it's sticking to it. So you just have to do a little bit problem solving, and it might not be that bad. Oh, my earrings are ready. I love it. I'm gonna wear them and show you. And oh, wait a minute, I also made the bunny clips for Alia. Wonder if she would like these. La la la. Very nice. Very cool. I love this activity.
Thank you, Mara. That was so fun. And it's so pretty.